Haagen-Dazs? Nah. I'm going to show you how to make triple chocolate raw vegan ice cream that is absolutely delicious, and it's so easy to make. You're going to love this recipe. To make this triple chocolate chunk, it's going to require 4 cups of frozen bananas. I'm going to put this into my blender. I like the Vitamix. And you're going to put 1/2 cup of your choice of nut milk. And then I like mine extra chocolatey, so you can make it however you like. I'm using about 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And then to sweeten it up, all you're going to use, I have a date syrup. Or you could use whole dates, whatever you like. I just put a good amount and blend.